last hurdle, opaque political funding must change. Blogs.economictimes.indiatimes.com Last hurdle, opaque political funding must change. Yesterday, 11:41 p.m. Speaking at the Foundation Day anniversary of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi repeated his clarion call against black money and urged the assembled chartered accountants to help their clients pay taxes rather than evade them. Those who try to take tax-evaded income outside the country will run up against the automatic exchange of information agreements that are shaping the global consensus to end base erosion and profit shifting. The goods and services tax will create multiple audit trails that will lead the taxman to undisclosed income. Tax rates have moderated and will moderate further. The government will take strong punitive measures against tax evaders. The PM ticked all the right boxes, except one. The element of the black economy he failed to mention is not the largest but is of the most consequence. This is political funds. Spending on political activity has soared, rising faster than per capita income. However, the bulk of political expenditure remains off the books, and so, naturally, does most of the funding that finances the expenditure. Today, industry funds individual politicians, who amass war chests, out of which they dole out money to followers, supporters and activists, apart from to the party to which they hold allegiance. Much remains with the politicians, after meeting their political expenses. This builds personal fortunes of politicians. Unless this system is replaced with one of transparent accounting of political income and expenditure, corruption and black money cannot be eliminated. The politician will turn a blind eye to the black money generated to fund his coffers, and to the misuse of the state machinery, banking system to generate the unaccounted funds in question. This, too, must change. Comments. Visit website. GST, biggest move to end black money. Blogs.economictimes.indiatimes.cust, biggest move to end black money. Yesterday, 11:34 p.m. We commend adoption of the goods and services tax, the biggest tax reform since independence, to create a seamless common market. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President Pranab Mukherjee and Finance Minister Arun Jaitley have done well to acknowledge that political collaboration and the spirit of cooperative federalism ensured the transition to the new tax paradigm. The GST Council, a collective body of the centre and states, deserves to be lauded for its consensus-driven approach to transact the legal changes needed to adopt GST on July 1st. Rightly, the PM billed this as a good and simple tax that would subsume and eliminate the previous cascade of 17 central and state taxes and 23 cesses, leading to efficiency gains and lowering retail prices. The audit trails the levy creates would curb evasion, widen the tax base and boost collections, both in indirect and direct taxes. The GST network that provides the infrastructure for taxpayers to pay tax, file returns and claim refunds, without having to interface with a tax official, except if taken up for audit and scrutiny, is a major innovation. Sensibly, businesses have been given more time to file returns in the first 2 months. This will make the transition smooth. Companies need time to recast their accounting systems for full compliance. Compliance should be easy, and taxpayers must not be harassed having to deal with 2 sets of administrative bureaucracies for the tax. Industries fear that the anti-profiteering clause may be a perverse incentive to routinely suspect the pricing policy of producers is not misplaced. It must have a sunset clause, an institutional mechanism to assess the experience of GST as it rolls out to make swift course correction make sense. Ideally, we should have started with low rates, achieved compliance and acquiescence, and pushed rates up gradually. Multiple rates are not inherently inimical to GST but make administration a little complicated. It is still possible to reduce the rates and the number of rates, as government gathers experience implementing the new tax. Comments. Visit website.